question 2, round this value to the nearest tenth. Now, the first thing to do is we need to identify which digit out of the 82319 is actually in the tenths column. So let's talk about column headings. So obviously we would have hundreds, tens, units, then the decimal point. Then the first column after the decimal point is tenths, then hundredths, and then thousandths. So if we now fill in the digits that we've got, so 82 is obviously 8 tens, 2 units, obviously no hundreds, then the decimal point, and then 319 means it's 3 tenths or 100th and 9 1,000. So it would look like that, 82.319. And we're going to the nearest tenth. So we need to identify the tenths column. So the tenth column is this one. So the 3 is the digit that we are interested in, but it's always the digit next door to that, the one straight after it, that affects what happens. So this 1 affects what happens to the 3. If this 1 is 5 or more, so 5 or more, you raise the score on the 3. 5 or more raises the score on the 3. 4 or less lets it rest. So 5 or more raises the score on the 3, it would go up. 4 or less lets the 3 rest. So it's this 1 is 4 or less. It's less than 4, so it lets the 3 rest. So the 3 is going to rest on a 3. The digits in front of it stay as they are, so it's going to be 82.3. And the digits after it, normally we would fill those in with zeros. If this was a number which wasn't a decimal, you'd change the digits after it to zeros. But because this is a decimal, we don't actually need those zeros, because 82.300 is the same as just 82.3. So you don't actually need to put the zeros on. It's unnecessary to do that. So the correct answer is 82.3.